Yeah, my first book, Eat to Beat Disease, I was writing about food and health, which we're all interested in. And what I wrote about is that when it comes to food and health, it's not just about the food, it's about how our body responds to what we actually put inside it. When we put good food inside it, we're actually able to, our body responds by activating health defenses. And there are 5 of them.
In this video, with the help of Dr. Lee, we will discover 4 unique spices that can help the body fight cancer, repair DNA, and reduce inflammation. Incorporating these powerful spices into your diet can boost your body's defenses, promote cellular repair, and enhance overall well-being, contributing to a healthier, longer life. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger is a well-known spice and medicinal herb. It is highly beneficial for DNA repair, cancer prevention, and inflammation reduction. These benefits are largely attributed to the bioactive compounds present in ginger, including gingerol, shogol, paradol, and zingerone.
Ginger has a bioactive called gingerol. Now, gingerol has been studied. It's anti-inflammatory. It is antioxidant. It also cuts off the blood supply to tumors.
One of the key components of ginger is gingerol, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative stress, which can damage DNA. Gingerol helps in neutralizing free radicals, thus preventing the damage they can cause to DNA. This not only helps in maintaining the integrity of DNA, but enhances the activity of certain enzymes involved in DNA repair. In addition to DNA repair, ginger has also got strong cancer-fighting properties. Several studies have indicated that gingerol, along with other ginger compounds like shogol and paradol, can stop the growth of many types of cancer cells, including breast, colon, pancreas, and liver cancer. These compounds induce apoptosis, which is programmed cell death in cancer cells, inhibiting cell proliferation and preventing the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors. Shogol, in particular, is highly effective in suppressing the metastasis of cancer cells, which is the spread of cancer cells from the place where they first formed to other parts of the body. Do you know that chronic inflammation is a major cancer-causing issue? Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to cancer and autoimmune diseases. Ginger is being used in traditional medicine as an anti-inflammatory agent. The anti-inflammatory effects of ginger are mainly due to its ability to prevent the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes. Gingerol and shogol are particularly effective in this regard as they modulate the activity of these inflammatory mediators. By reducing inflammation, ginger helps in relieving pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis, and also lowers the risk of chronic inflammatory diseases. Apart from these significant benefits, ginger offers several other health advantages. It improves digestive health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and increasing gastrointestinal motility. Ginger can also help in relieving nausea and vomiting, which is especially beneficial for pregnant women and those undergoing chemotherapy. The use of ginger in meals is very convenient, and it adds benefits and a unique taste to the dish. Ginger garlic stir-fry is a nutritious combination of spiced vegetables. To make this, heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the grated ginger and minced garlic and stir-fry for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the carrots, bell peppers, snap peas, and broccoli to the skillet. Stir-fry for 4 to 5 minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Add the zucchini and continue to stir-fry for another 3 to 4 minutes until all the vegetables are tender crisp. Season with salt and pepper to taste. The variety of vegetables provides a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants with anti-inflammation and immunity-boosting properties of ginger, essential for overall health. Before we move on, it is important to mention here that no single food can protect you against cancer by itself. However, research shows that a diet filled with a variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, and other plant foods helps lower the risk for many cancers. In laboratory studies, many individual minerals, vitamins, and phytochemicals demonstrate anti-cancer effects. By including more foods that fight cancer in your diet, you will help reduce your risk of developing cancer. The information provided in this video is just for educational purposes and is not an alternative to professional medical guidance or medical procedures. Please refer to your healthcare provider for a personalized approach before making any changes to your diet plan. Number 2. Turmeric and black pepper. When we are talking about reducing inflammation, DNA repair, and cancer prevention, turmeric is capable of them all.
Turmeric's actually been used for traditional healing Ayurvedic healing, traditional medicines for thousands of years. I like to think about it as a colorful spice that you can actually use for cooking as well. And what's in turmeric is something called curcumin. Now, curcumin is a bioactive that does a lot of really powerful things.
One of the key components in turmeric responsible for these benefits is curcumin, a polyphenol with potent biological properties.
The curcumin has a lot of properties: anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant, it cuts off the blood supply feeding cancers, it actually is helpful for your stem cells as well. It really activates almost all of your body's health defenses, and it's good for your gut microbiome.
Curcumin can enhance DNA repair mechanisms. A study published in the Journal of Carcinogenesis demonstrated that curcumin can increase the expression of key DNA repair genes, which are involved in the repair of oxidative DNA damage. By promoting the activity of such genes, curcumin helps maintain the integrity of our genetic material, thereby reducing the risk of mutations that could lead to cancer. Moreover, curcumin has strong anti-cancer properties. It interferes with multiple signaling pathways involved in cancer development and progression. For instance, curcumin can inhibit the activity of the nuclear factor protein complex that plays a critical role in regulating the immune response to infection. The nuclear factor protein complex is known to be overactive in many types of cancer, leading to increased proliferation and survival of cancer cells. By suppressing it, curcumin may help the body reduce cancer cell growth and induce apoptosis. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects are well documented as well. Chronic inflammation is a known contributor to heart disease, arthritis, and neurodegenerative disorders. Curcumin can inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, such as tumor necrosis factor alpha. A study in the Journal of Clinical Immunology highlighted curcumin's ability to downregulate these cytokines, leading to a reduction in inflammation and associated symptoms. Curcumin, while highly beneficial, has poor bioavailability when consumed alone. This means that only a small fraction of ingested curcumin enters the bloodstream, limiting its therapeutic potential.
So why not just, enjoy turmeric as a spice by itself? Because it's so potent that our body actually doesn't absorb everything that it could. In fact, our body kind of gets, a lot of it gets flushed out, at the tail end.
Interestingly, black pepper is an excellent companion to turmeric, primarily due to its ability to enhance the bioavailability of curcumin, turmeric's main active compound.
It turns out that if you have fresh cracked black pepper, all right, there's a substance in fresh cracked black pepper called piperine. Piperine is one of Mother Nature's, these remarkable chemicals that actually influences the body. And piperine helps the body hang on to the curcumin. So if you have fresh cracked black pepper with your turmeric, you're actually creating a 1-2 punch that allows you to absorb more of the curcumin.
The key ingredient in black pepper responsible for this effect is piperine, an alkaloid known for its potent inhibitory effect on certain metabolic enzymes. Piperine significantly improves curcumin's absorption. A study published in the Journal of Pharmacology and Experimental Therapeutics found that the presence of piperine can increase the bioavailability of curcumin by 2,000%, making it far more effective. Beyond enhancing bioavailability, piperine itself possesses several health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, which can complement the effects of curcumin. By combining black pepper with turmeric, not only is the efficacy of curcumin improved, but the synergistic effects of both compounds can also provide a broader spectrum of health benefits. Black pepper not only aids in digestion, but also enhances the absorption of nutrients, making it a perfect complement to turmeric. To enjoy the health benefits of this combination, try the following recipe for roasted cauliflower with turmeric and black pepper. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine olive oil, turmeric, black pepper, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and salt to create a paste. Toss cauliflower florets in the spice mixture to coat them evenly. Roast in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cauliflower is tender and slightly crispy. This dish is packed with vitamin C and K, folate and fiber, which contribute to overall health and improved digestion. Additionally, turmeric supports joint health, boosts the immune system, and may lower the risk of chronic diseases, while black pepper increases the bioavailability of curcumin, maximizing the health benefits. Number 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is sweet and spicy, derived from the bark of cinnamon trees. It has been known for its medicinal properties for centuries. The unique taste of cinnamon is primarily due to cinnamaldehyde, the essential oil that gives cinnamon its characteristic flavor and aroma.
Cinnamon has more than 20 different bioactives that can influence your metabolism, and one of them is called cinnamaldehyde.
Cinnamaldehyde has powerful antioxidant properties, which play an effective role in DNA repair. Oxidative stress can cause DNA damage, leading to mutations that may result in cancer and other diseases. Antioxidants like cinnamaldehyde help to neutralize free radicals, protecting DNA from oxidative damage. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that cinnamaldehyde could enhance the expression of certain genes involved in the body's natural antioxidant defenses, suggesting a mechanism by which cinnamon may support DNA repair processes. In terms of helping the body to fight cancer, cinnamon has numerous benefits. The anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamaldehyde and other cinnamon compounds, such as eugenol, contribute significantly to its anti-cancer effects. By reducing inflammation, cinnamon can potentially lower cancer risk. Research published in BMC Cancer demonstrated that cinnamaldehyde inhibited the growth of cancer cells and induced apoptosis in various cancer cell lines, including colon cancer and leukemia. These findings indicate that cinnamon could be a valuable addition to a cancer-fighting diet. Cinnamon also contains polyphenols, another group of potent antioxidants that contribute to its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Polyphenols modulate the immune response, reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and thus preventing chronic inflammation. Beyond its roles in DNA repair, fighting cancer, and inflammation reduction, cinnamon shows multiple health benefits. It can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Medicinal Food concluded that cinnamon supplementation could lead to a statistically significant decrease in fasting blood glucose levels. Additionally, cinnamon has antimicrobial properties, which can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. This makes it a useful natural remedy for conditions like candida overgrowth and respiratory infections. Moreover, cinnamon's neuroprotective properties are gaining attention. Compounds in cinnamon have been found to inhibit the aggregation of tau proteins, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. A study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease reported that cinnamon extract could improve cognitive function in animal models of Alzheimer's, suggesting potential benefits for human neurodegenerative conditions. To enjoy the health benefits and unique taste of cinnamon, it can be included in your diet in many ways. One option is to make cinnamon roasted carrots. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together the olive oil, ground cinnamon, ground cumin, salt, and pepper. Add the carrot sticks to the bowl and toss to coat them evenly with the mixture. Roast in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. This roasted carrots recipe is not only delicious, but also packed with beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, dietary fiber, supporting digestive health, and antioxidants that help fight inflammation.
What's a dose? The researchers showed that the effects were seen with just half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day.
At this point, you might have extra questions about how to incorporate these powerful spices into your daily meals. Don't worry, I've compiled even more tips on creating delicious and healthy, well-seasoned recipes in this free guide here. Click the link in my description box to download your 28-day Mediterranean meal plan. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is a very common spice used in our kitchens, which has long been recognized for its medicinal properties. It contains several bioactive compounds, including allicin, diallyl sulfide, and sallyl cysteine, which contribute to its health benefits. These compounds have been studied extensively for their roles in DNA repair, fighting cancer, and inflammation reduction.
Garlic has allicin. That is not only great, adding great flavor, but it also is contributing to a bioactive that will activate your circulation. Also lower inflammation.
Garlic's role in DNA repair is primarily attributed to its antioxidant properties. Allicin is one of the primary compounds in garlic that has shown significant antioxidant activity. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated that garlic extract could increase the activity of antioxidant enzymes and reduce oxidative damage to DNA in human cells. This suggests that garlic can help maintain the integrity of DNA and support cellular repair mechanisms. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties are another significant health benefit. Allicin, along with other sulfur-containing compounds in garlic, can reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that garlic extract could significantly reduce markers of inflammation in human blood samples. This anti-inflammatory effect is crucial for reducing the risk of chronic diseases and improving overall health. For fighting cancer, garlic has gained attention due to its potential to inhibit cancer cell growth. Diallyl sulfide and diallyl disulfide, both found in garlic, are particularly effective in this regard. Research published in the Cancer Prevention Research Journal indicated that these compounds could inhibit the proliferation of various cancer cells, including those of the breast, prostate, and colon. The study found that diallyl disulfide could suppress the activation of carcinogens, enhance DNA repair, and induce apoptosis in cancer cells, making garlic a powerful agent in a cancer-fighting diet.
Now, what's in a garlic escape? It's got allicin because it's an allium member of the allium family, and allicin improves your glucose sensitivity. It actually improves your metabolism, your lipid metabolism, to lower your cholesterol, and it can actually help fight harmful body fat.
Beyond these specific benefits, garlic offers a range of other health advantages. It improves cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and preventing atherosclerosis. The sulfur compounds in garlic enhance the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Additionally, garlic has antimicrobial properties that can help combat infections. It has been used traditionally to treat various infections thanks to its ability to inhibit the growth of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Studies have also indicated that regular consumption of garlic can boost the immune system, making the body more resistant to illnesses.
And it turns out when you actually cut up the garlic into fine pieces, that's actually when you are actually releasing a lot of the natural bioactives that are healthy for you.
Interestingly, the preparation of garlic can affect its health benefits. Crushing or chopping garlic activates the enzyme alliinase, which converts allicin to allicin, the compound responsible for many of garlic's therapeutic effects. Cooking garlic, however, can reduce its allicin content, so it is often recommended to let crushed garlic sit for a few minutes before cooking to maximize its health benefits. Some studies have also suggested that aged garlic extract, which has a higher concentration of stable sulfur compounds, may offer enhanced health benefits compared to fresh garlic. To spice up your diet with garlic, you can try charred Brussels sprouts with garlic. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. In a large bowl, whisk melted coconut oil, garlic, tomato paste, paprika, salt, and pepper. Add Brussels sprouts and toss to coat. Roast for 25 minutes until golden brown and tender. Brussels sprouts support immune function, bone health, and digestion, while coconut oil provides healthy fats that can boost energy and improve cholesterol levels. Garlic offers additional antioxidants and potential heart health benefits.